Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add full reel on Instagram story. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to download this application. Let me search Repost. So here you can see that Repost for IG post and stories. Then you need to go back and open Instagram. Go on to the reel section. Copy any reel. You simply need to copy link. Go back. Here you need to open repost section and it will be automatically detected. So wait for few seconds. Click here and here you can see two options: add to story, send direct. Click on add to story. So in this way you can add your full reel as your Instagram story. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.